Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godox T685 flash to a trigger. First, ensure both your flash and trigger are fully charged and powered on. You will need to set your flash to receiver mode, allowing it to listen for signals from the trigger. Then, match the channel and group settings on both devices for seamless communication. This foundational step is crucial for successful wireless flash operation, ensuring your lighting is always perfectly synchronized. To set up your Godox T685, press the sync button, often labeled with a lightning bolt icon. Use the control dial to navigate through the menu until you find the wireless mode option. Select slave or receiver mode to prepare the flash for remote control. Finally, ensure the channel and group displayed on the flash match your intended trigger settings. This prepares your flash to receive commands. Now, power on your Godox X Series trigger, like the X Pro or X2OT. Set the trigger to master or transmitter mode, which allows it to send signals. Crucially, adjust the channel and group settings on the trigger to precisely match those you set on your T685 flash. Securely mount the trigger onto your camera's hot shoe. This establishes the communication link between your camera and flash. With both devices set, perform a test fire by pressing the test button on your trigger. The T685 flash should fire in response, confirming a successful connection. If it doesn't, first check the battery levels on both units. Then, meticulously reconfirm that the channel and group settings on both the flash and trigger are identical. Often, a simple mismatch is the cause of communication issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.